Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Infura, what it is, the potential airdrop and how you can interact with it. So before I get started, per usual, nothing in my video is financial advice, and also the airdrop is not guaranteed. Anyway, so let's look into what Infura is. So basically it's an infrastructure project that provides different tools and developer tools, etc. for different blockchain projects. And it's basically owned by a company called Consensys. Okay, so if you've been in crypto for a while, you've heard of it. It's basically the for-profit Ethereum company. They basically provide different tools, etc., for Ethereum-based project on Ethereum. So they're a huge company. They've raised 725 million to date at 7 billion valuation, guys. Okay, and if you see, they're not your regular companies like your crypto funds. These are big boy Web2 companies, JP Morgan, BlackRock, UBS, MasterCard, etc. Yeah, you see obviously the high caliber crypto ones as well. But just to give you SoftBank, just to give you an idea of the caliber of the company. Okay, so that's Consensys. So Consensys owns Infura. Okay, Infura, Metamask, which is obviously the biggest crypto wallet, the most widely used crypto wallet, and also Linea, which is a layer 2 on Ethereum. Okay, so just to give you an idea of how big Metamask is alone, they're generating $700,000 per week from the fees. Okay, from the in wallet fees. Okay, just in a bear market, one app. Okay, so just to give you some perspective, and Linea, this is the layer 2, the ZK EVM layer 2 on top of Ethereum. This is also by Consensys. Okay, so let's here they basically announced that they want to they want to decentralize the project. So usually when a project wants to decentralize themselves, obviously there's different actors, and to get the different people to do things, just like a blockchain, that proof of work, you need to give the miners some sort of reward, right? BTC. With proof of stake, you need to give the stakers some reward to secure the chain, right? So there's always some free feedback loop, some sort of incentivization for the different participants. And so this is where the speculation comes that there will be a token. So here you can see the block's got an article on basically the same news, that the fact that they intend to decentralize themselves. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to infura.io. Obviously I'll put the link in the description. Sign up and create a new API key. Okay, and then I'll show you what next you want to do. I've got a screenshot here because obviously I don't want to show all the information, but you'll get the idea. So what you want to do is you're gonna basically enable the networks. I will say enable network, and then copy that string, the information here, and then go to your MetaMask and basically put it in the new RPC URL. Okay, when you click enable, from what I've seen, it automatically does it for you. But if it doesn't, go to your MetaMask, go to settings, go to network, and then put it in. So before that, it won't have the Infura, it'll have the normal RPC endpoint. Okay, and then once you do enable, it will basically change it to the Infura one, as you can see, Infura. And I've got another screenshot, I can show you the Arbitrum one. So this is the Arbitrum one without the Infura, but once you hit enable, it'll automatically change it. Okay, and so yeah guys, so that's the first thing you want to do. Okay, then the next thing is they got faucets. Okay, faucet is basically a place where you can get testnet tokens. So you got Linea one, which is their layer 2 faucet, and you got Sepolia, which is Ethereum layer 2. Okay, you can claim, just put your wallet address here and receive ETH. You can do that once a day. Okay, then next thing you want to do is you want to join all of their Discord. So that's Consensys, then the Infura one, and then bonus for the Linea and MetaMask. Okay, next thing you want to do is join the early access program. Okay, so this is more geared towards, like, I would say devs or projects, but there's no harm in trying your luck. I mean, even if you're like a small influencer or developer, or you're trying to, you don't know. So I'll leave the link in the description. Just fill this form in, and yeah. Then the next thing you want to do is interact with a Linea, and obviously, so it's the same company, that's arguably the same company as in terms of the data being collected, etc. It could give you an advantage to interact with Linea and MetaMask. So I've got videos on both. I'll leave the links in the description, obviously. And basically interacting with these may boost your airdrop chances and your allocation. Okay, so these are actual projects where you can interact with more, because obviously they're blockchains or wallet, etc. Because on the actual Infura, there's not too much to do because of the type of project it is, but these two you can definitely do way more. Anyway guys, hope you got some value from this project, from this video, sorry, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.